Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are talking about a big question, that is, has AI finally killed tech jobs? And to make it real, we will be looking at Microsoft's own example in 2025. So stay tuned because the answer isn't as simple as you might think. Now, over the last years, Microsoft has doubled down on AI, like they have integrated multiple tools like Copilot directly into Office, Windows, and even Azure. On the one hand, this has boosted the productivity, allowing fewer employees to handle more work. But on the other hand, it is also reshaping the job market. Reports shows that some departments at Microsoft has reduced hiring for the role like junior coders or QA testers and technical writers because AI tools can now handle a large chunk of their workload. In fact, some entry level positions are being automated completely, but it is not all bad news. While certain jobs are disappearing, new opportunities are also popping up, like AI prompt engineers, AI ethics specialists, and people who are skilled in integrating AI into business system are in high demand. So the shift isn't about killing tech jobs entirely, it's more about transforming them. So the takeaway here would be, if you are in tech, you will need to adopt fast. You need to adapt it, right? Now, upskilling the AI related tools and workflows might be the difference between staying ahead and being replaced. So the question here is, has AI actually replaced the tech job? So my answer would be not completely, but it's definitely rewriting the rule book. Learn AI, use AI, and then stay relevant. What do you think? Is AI more of a threat or an opportunity? Let me know that in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more these types of breakdowns. Thanks for watching.